Welcome to my channel rakshana. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, like and share. Watch till the end and support our channel by subscribing. Before starting any dismantling work, ensure complete safety. First isolate the compressor properly. Close the air delivery valve. Close the water and inlet outlet lines of all intercoolers. Stage 3 delivery pipe. Unscrew and remove the discharge pipe. Then remove the non-return valve. Next, unscrew and remove the C pipe which connect stage 1 to delivery to the stage 1 inlet. After that, unscrew the water inlet and outlet flange connections of stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 intercoolers. Unscrew and remove the bypass valve. Next, unscrew and remove the inlet valve diaphragm positioner. After the remove the diaphragm positioner, remove the inlet valve. Yanking the stage 3 intercooler. Unscrew the stage 3 intercooler mounting bolts. Remove the intercooler nose from the diffuser. Lift the intercooler carefully using proper supporting. After lifting the intercooler, the water inlet and outlet pipe connections are completely removed. The stage 3 intercooler. Stage 3 intercooler is removed. Unscrew the stage 3 diffuser bolts. One bolt is rusted, so it is welded and then removed safely. Remove the diffuser from the stage 3 housing. Next, unscrew and remove the stage 3 housing. After remove the stage 3 housing, unscrew the secondary pump inlet and outlet pipe connections. Now starts unscrew and remove the stage 2 intercooler bolts. Unscrew the stage 1 delivery to stage 2 inlet connection. Remove the bolts. Remove the stage 2 intercooler from the housing. Remove the outside intercooler from the stage 2 housing. After removing the stage 2 intercooler, unscrew the stage 1 intercooler bolts using a crane in hanging position for safe lifting. Carefully remove the stage 1 intercooler from the housing. Remove the outside intercooler stage 1. Now all the three stages intercoolers are removed. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 completely removed. This is the stage 1 housing is consist of diffuser and impeller. This is stage 2 housing. This is also consist of diffuser and impeller. This is the stage 3 housing. Impeller and diffuser consist. This is the secondary oil pump. This is the water connections, intercooler inlet and outlet water connection line. All three stages, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, diffuser, stage 3 housing, positioner, C pipe, distance pipe, inlet valve. This is the suction